Nobody wants to chance it.
No, that's too deep now for me.
Yes, we'll float.
Yeah.
Mira, todos los carros que se están torando.
Oh, that's a big one.
What happened?
That's an Escalade.
Was there a wreck over here, Lena?
No, veo.
No, we shouldn't have came this way, Lena.
Why?
Look at those trucks.
I'll be fine.
Is that the water coming in?
Nah! Trying to get me.
You better go through the middle. No?
No, I'll be fine right here. I'll stay right here. We'll see. If I can't turn, I'll go straight. Wow.
What are they doing right there? Blocking it?
Maybe aquel se quedó también.
Look at the cops the fire department.
Wow. Mira, look, you see all the rocks?
It's because there's a car right there. Mira, it's going in his car.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. That is deep.
You know
It's
what?
up to the bumper.
I better call them at the office. If they know anybody, they better not drive. Huh?
Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh, my God. Ira?
Pendejas from 91.
¿Cuál es?
1091, that green car.
Oh.
Hey, if you guys know anybody driving, you guys better... There's a lot of cars over here on Spencer and Serene. The cops are there pulled. They're stuck. The water's all the way inside. Oh my... We're not even at the stop sign, and there's a lot of cars that are stuck, and there's water inside.
Oh, damn. Where are you guys going?
We're going to Home Depot to get some sandbags, but it's a flood over here. You really need a boat.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at that car coming, how far the water is.
And they're still coming.
They're
oh,
crazy.
Shit.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, mira, they should have turned back.
They should have.
See, that's what I told you. We shouldn't have came, Elena.
Nah, I'll be fine, Joe. I'll be fine.
I don't know how to swim, but...
Shit, I don't.
You kidding?
No, I
Mira.
don't. Wow. Y ahí viene otro carro.
Look at how, Don't go, little red car. No, that little red car se viene,
Se va a
Elena.
quedar.
Yeah.
That's too small. Shit, what am I talking about? I'm small too.
That's why I told you should have went right here. No hay mucha agua.
Well, you know what? I'll freaking back out once I can see over there if it's too much over there because I gotta turn.
Yeah.
If I can't turn, I'll go straight, and if I can't, depending on how I see the cars.
That T-Bird, look at the water's got to be going in.
Oh yeah, either that or getting. You see the rocks? You see cómo se mueve?
Yeah.
There's a lot of rocks.
Can you imagine todo el agua que se le está metiendo a ese carro?
Shit.
Look at that red car got stuck, huh?
Yo digo que sí. Or maybe they're just afraid and they're just there. Look, they're getting off. Why doesn't he put his emergency lights on? Oh shit. Oh shit, Joe.
Oh, we're stuck like a duck here.
Fuck. Should I turn or should I go straight? I'm gonna go straight. What do you think?
Go straight. Mira.
God damn.
Ooh. I better close it because some loco's gonna say, oh, look at that fool with that window open.
Yup, mira.
Oh my goodness. stupid windshield wipers. ¿Para qué te metiste? Right in the picture.
Here.
Right on the picture when it was,
You got it?
yeah, you can go ahead. Yeah, you're gonna have to go straight, Elena. Well, phone, it was nice having you. We're gonna be floating.
A ver, voltea para allá. Do you think I can make it? You think you
No.
can make it?
No, because
Nope.
there's this car. Mira, this stupid truck no te va a dejar.
No, I'll just go straight and I'll turn over there.
Yeah. Hijo. ¿Dónde vas a voltear? ¿Aquí en el river?
Fuck. No, over there, the next entrance goes up.
Ay, la jodida, mira este river grande.
Shit.
Allá donde está ese
Sí,
carrito.
aquí
Yeah, that
it
little
goes
car
up.
made it.
Wow. And it's gonna keep going. It's gonna rain all today and tomorrow.
Don't say that.
I saw it on my phone.
We're gonna do it here or...
Yeah, the
Oh, there's a guy there. Come on, fast.